Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is February the 1st, and my Greek oregano started germinating. So I took it out of the container that it was in, and I put it under one of my grow lights, which I'm actually holding up so you can see the little seedlings here. Now, when this starts getting its true leaves, I will start feeding it with a 1/4 teaspoon of the Miracle-Gro water soluble all-purpose plant food to a gallon of water. And you may use whatever plant food that you wish to use on them. I just use the Miracle-Gro because that's what I found works for me. And so I do feed my seedlings because getting a strong root system on them is very important, and I don't want to have any issues with not getting a good root system. So I do feed mine, but you're more than welcome to feed yours with whatever plant food you like. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you may leave them below and I will try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.